What have you learned here?
I learned soldering, wiring harness layouts, building a battle bot, driving a battle bot, flipping a battle bot, and burning myself.
What have you found most exciting with the Steam Summer Camp?
Working with the bot and building and repairing it.
Learning how to solder.
I found it exciting that we get to learn how to build these bots with Mr. Miller, and wait, what was the second part?
What are some of the things that you've learned?
I've learned how to solder stuff together. I didn't know how to do that before.
What is your team's strategy for winning the RoboRumble tournament?
Try your best and just try your best. Stay calm.
Avoid the weapon at all times.
Not losing the first round.
Don't get flipped.
That's
Winning.
fair.
Brute force.
Luck.
Feel around until something works.
That's what.
Mustangs, you are the winner. Unanimous vote.
Do you have anything you'd like to add?
I love cheese.
Thank you. Thank you.